I've got the hero from the last game, Ishan Kishan. Ishan, wonderful batting. It seemed as if you were on a different plane. Is that a fair assessment?
Yeah, I was just hoping to, just go in, be calm and watch each and every ball and just play the cricketing shots which are required at that point of time.
And at 6 for 2, what was your thought process? Was this the thought process, or did you feel that maybe today is my day, I can go for it?
No, to be very honest, when you're chasing a total like 209, it's very important to get as many runs as you can in the power play. But at the same point, my thinking was, let's not think of losing my wicket by playing shots, but at the same time, I can play some good shots. And I felt for left-hand batsmen, it was much easier to play in the middle the way they were bowling. So I thought of just getting in that zone and getting as many runs as possible.
Tell us about the thoughts which Ishan Kishan had from 2023 or the end of 2023 till the time you were called up. You ended up playing 71 games domestically. What was going through your mind then and now?
Nothing. I just, like I spoke earlier as well, like I just had one question, if I can do this again or not. And, if I do it again, that will give me much more confidence for myself. And, I just need to enjoy each and every time because, sometimes it's hard to be in the present moment. But at the same time, it matters the most when you are in the present and you just take one day at a time or one game at a time and you just try and put up a good show. So that was the whole point of me just enjoying cricket and, getting back to the basics, taking a step back and just focusing on what's important for me.
That's lovely to hear, but just tell me about what you felt coming in when you were recalled. Everybody wants to play for India, you feel happy, there is pressure. But when you've made that comeback, was there an added bit?
No, I think at this point of time, after looking at everything, after going through everything, I think there's not much change I don't get much happy, I don't get more sad. So it's just that I'm in the present and, important thing is World Cup is ahead and what we need to do in the World Cup is more important. So I was just thinking about how we are going to win this trophy and what else we need to improve in ourselves.
Thanks a lot. Keep blazing away.
Thank you.